I cannot get a real good one, but there's a cloud between my roof and the neighbor's tree there. Oh, I see it. Oh, right there. It doesn't show as good on the contrast on the on the iPhone. There's not a very good light to it. Yeah, there is some. Oh, look at that. There's some stuff. Nature stuff. Earlier, wind was ripping that tree around like nothing. But now, it's just dead still. Yeah, you crazy Okie.
Grew up here. What you do when it storms? Go on.
Oh, Lordy. Where is it at?
Right there, thank you.
Right over there.
I don't know if you're going to get it on the camera.
Yeah, I see it a little bit, but yes, I do, but I don't know if it'll pick up on the camera. I'll send it to her.